Outside this reinforced glass, the Martian atmosphere would freeze your lungs in seconds. The pressure is barely 1% of Earth's, and the dust is a toxic cocktail of perchlorates. But inside this dome, a revolution is cooking. You are looking at a historic first, a 5-course gourmet meal prepared on the red planet. There are no human hands involved, only the cold, calculated precision of silicon intelligence. The question isn't just, can it cook? It's whether a machine can turn sterile, dehydrated rations into a masterpiece, while a deadly wasteland screams outside the door. The Impossible Kitchen. Welcome to the X1 Culinary Lab. It's 2026, and while a global dust storm rages outside, the X1 Chef Unit is calibrating. This isn't your kitchen at home. Every gram of weight costs thousands of dollars to ship from Earth, so the X1 has to be a miracle worker. Its brain is a neural network trained on centuries of Michelin-starred archives, but its reality is a pressurized box of limited resources. It has to balance the high stakes of survival with the high art of flavor, using sensors that can detect a single misplaced molecule of salt. The science of Martian flavor. Cooking on Mars is a physics nightmare. In this low gravity, roughly 38% of Earth's, boiling points plummet and delicate foams rise differently. The X1 has to rewrite the laws of gastronomy on the fly. The ingredients? A mix of synthetic proteins grown in vats and hydroponic Martian lichen, a hardy, earthy green engineered to survive the base's recycled water. Watch as the X1 uses ultrasonic emulsification to rehydrate sterile blocks of powder, turning them into vibrant, multi-textured purees that look and smell impossibly fresh. The 5-course performance. The performance begins. The X1's mechanical arms move with a fluidity that feels almost haunting. The starter. Dust-crusted regolith, a savory lichen tartlet with a smoked paprika dust. The soup, a pressurized consommé that stays piping hot despite the thin air. The entree, rapid-freeze seared synthetic wagyu, using the Martian cold to create a perfect crust. The palate cleanser, a carbon dioxide-infused sorbet that fizzes with the very essence of the Martian atmosphere. The dessert? A shimmering dome of sugar glass reflecting the crimson horizon outside. The contrast is jarring. The cold, dead wasteland of the red planet on one side of the glass, and a warm, sensory symphony being plated on the other. The ultimate taste test. But can a robot actually season? Can silicon intelligence replicate the soul of a dish? When we analyze the chemical composition, the balance is perfect, mathematically superior to most human chefs. However, this isn't just about nutrition. For the colonists living millions of miles from home, this meal is a psychological lifeline. Gourmet aesthetics aren't a luxury here. They are a defense against the crushing loneliness of space. If a machine can make Mars feel like a home rather than a tomb, the mission is a success. The future of life beyond Earth. As the first bite is taken, we are witnessing the exact moment survival transitions into civilization. This leap in automation proves that we don't just have to endure the stars, we can thrive among them. The X1 is just the beginning. One day, there will be a unique Martian food culture, dishes we can't even imagine on Earth. But for today, under the glow of a distant sun, we've proven one thing. No matter how desolate the horizon, humanity will always find a way to bring a seat to the table.